Clay is soft. It is from rock. People bake it. Then it becomes hard like rocks. People make potteries. They make dishes. They make bricks. They even make dolls. When people work with clay, they need rolling pins. They need canvas and cutters. And they need fingers. Clay has many colors. There are white, blue, green, orange, and even pink.